Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 is updated, and the second carrier supports eSIM or dual SIM. That matters because the phone must accept a second profile. Next, get the QR code or activation code and account details from the new plan. This speeds activation. Make sure you back up your device and turn off any carrier or restriction profiles that might block provisioning. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Cellular to add the second line. You now add the second line. Open Settings, Cellular, add Cellular Plan, then scan the carrier QR code or type the activation code. This installs the eSIM profile. After the profile appears, label the lines so you know which is primary or travel. Labeling helps routing. Then set defaults for voice and mobile data and choose which line iMessage and FaceTime use. This ensures calls, texts, and data go where you expect. If the carrier needs activation, follow their on-screen prompts. Finish by restarting the iPhone and confirming both lines show signal and can place or receive calls. This confirms provisioning. If the eSIM doesn't activate, rescan the QR, toggle airplane mode, or ask the carrier to activate via IMEI. Many issues are on their end. Make sure SMS/MMS and data switching work, and try a call on each line. If problems persist, remove the eSIM profile and reinstall it, and contact carrier support for account-side activation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.